So why can cats jump so high? Cats are natural hunters. In the wild, they need to catch prey to survive. Jumping high is an essential part of their hunting skill set. It's all about their powerful leg muscles. Cats have incredibly strong hind leg muscles that act like springs. When they crouch down before a jump, they store energy in these muscles and then release it in a burst of power. This explosive energy propels them into the air with remarkable force, enabling them to reach impressive heights in just a single bound.